Alright, picture this, you've finally decided to get your finances in order. You've heard about EQ Bank, the digital bank promising higher interest rates and simpler banking. You're ready to ditch those traditional brick-and-mortar fees and embrace a more modern approach. But then, a nagging question pops up. Wait a minute, what kind of fees am I actually getting myself into? Does that sound familiar? If you're anything like most people, the word fees can send a shiver down your spine. We've all been there, deciphering complex fee schedules, feeling like we're being nickel and dimed for every little thing. And with digital banks, there's often a perception that since they're online, they must be hiding some sneaky costs somewhere. Well, today, we're going to demystify the world of EQ Bank fees. We're going to break it down, plain and simple, so you know exactly what to expect. No hidden agendas, no fine print surprises. Just the facts. First, let's take a step back and understand why fees exist in the first place. Whether it's a traditional bank or a digital one, running a financial institution costs money. There are operational expenses, security measures, customer support, and regulatory compliance, just to name a few. Fees are often a way for these institutions to cover those costs. Now, EQ Bank stands out because it aims to minimize those fees. They've built their business model around efficiency, leveraging technology to reduce overhead and pass those savings on to you, the customer. This is why you often see them advertised with higher interest rates and fewer fees compared to traditional banks. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What fees, if any, are associated with your EQ Bank accounts? The good news is, EQ Bank is known for its relatively fee-free structure. Let's start with their flagship product, the Savings Plus account. Savings Plus account. This account is the cornerstone of EQ Bank. It's designed to be a high-interest savings account with checking capabilities. And here's the kicker. No monthly fees. You won't find any monthly maintenance fees draining your balance. This is a significant advantage over many traditional banks that charge monthly fees, even for basic accounts. No minimum balance fees. Unlike some savings accounts that require you to maintain a certain balance to avoid fees, EQ Bank doesn't impose any minimum balance requirements. You can keep as much or as little as you want in your account without incurring penalties. Free electronic transfers, sending and receiving money electronically within Canada, whether it's through Interac e-transfer or electronic funds transfers, EFTs, is completely free. This makes it easy to move money in and out of your account without worrying about transaction fees. Free bill payments. Paying your bills through your EQ Bank account is also free. This includes paying utility bills, credit card bills, and other regular expenses. Free mobile check deposits. Depositing checks using your smartphone is free and convenient. Free incoming wire transfers. Receiving wire transfers from within Canada is also free. Now, let's talk about where you might encounter some fees, because no financial institution is completely fee-free. Outgoing wire transfers. If you need to send a wire transfer, there will be a fee. This is a standard practice across most financial institutions, as wire transfers involve international networks and security measures. The fee amount will be disclosed clearly within the EQ Bank platform before you initiate the transfer. Foreign exchange fees. If you're making purchases in a foreign currency using your EQ Bank card, or if you're receiving funds in a foreign currency, there will be foreign exchange fees. These fees are typically a percentage of the transaction amount and cover the cost of converting currencies. It is important to note that EQ Bank has a very competitive foreign exchange rate. Paper statements. While electronic statements are free, if you require paper statements, there may be a fee associated with them. EQ Bank encourages electronic statements to reduce paper waste and streamline operations. GICs, Guaranteed Investment Certificates. EQ Bank also offers GICs, which are a type of investment that provides a guaranteed rate of return over a fixed period. No fees for purchasing or redeeming GICs. There are generally no fees associated with purchasing or redeeming EQ Bank GICs. This means you can invest your money without worrying about upfront or exit fees. EQ Bank MasterCard. EQ Bank also offers a MasterCard. No annual fees. This card comes without an annual fee, which is a major benefit compared to many premium credit cards. Foreign transaction fees. Like most credit cards, the EQ Bank MasterCard will incur foreign transaction fees when you make purchases in a foreign currency. Cash advance fees. If you take out a cash advance using your EQ Bank MasterCard, there will be a cash advance fee, as well as interest accruing from the date of the advance. It is important to remember that cash advances should be avoided where possible. Interest charges. Like any credit card, interest will accrue on any outstanding balance that is not paid in full by the due date. Why EQ Bank's fee structure matters. The low fee structure of EQ Bank is a significant advantage, especially in today's financial landscape. Every dollar saved on fees is a dollar that can be put towards your savings goals, investments, or other financial priorities. For example, imagine you're paying $15 a month in bank fees at a traditional bank. Over a year, that's $180. With EQ Bank, you could save that $180 and put it towards your emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a house. In conclusion, EQ Bank offers a compelling fee structure that's designed to save you money. With no monthly fees, no minimum balance fees, and free electronic transfers and bill payments, it's a great option for those looking for a simple and affordable banking experience. While there are some fees associated with certain transactions, such as wire transfers and foreign exchange, these are clearly disclosed and generally competitive with other financial institutions. Ultimately, the best way to determine if EQ Bank is right for you is to weigh the benefits and drawbacks based on your individual needs and financial goals. Consider how often you use specific banking services and how much you're currently paying in fees at your current bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.